Hi there! In this tutorial, we'll continue to look at searching in our Animals Puzzle application. In the last tutorial, we added the search functionality to our Animals Puzzle app. We also added keyword suggestions, which helps the user find words they might want to search for. In this tutorial, we are going to add external searching for when the application is not running. Let's take a look at what this looks like. Ensure that the Animals Puzzle application is not running and go to the Start screen. Simply type in BI and we see that Windows has automatically brought up the search screen. On the right-hand side, under the search text box, we can see there are some applications listed. If we clicked Store, Windows would launch the store, and the store application would do a search for items starting with BI. We want to add our Animals Puzzle application to this search list, so a user could search within our application without running it first. The system requirements for this tutorial are Microsoft Windows 8 and Microsoft Visual Studio 2012. Start by opening the Animals Puzzle project we were working on in the last tutorial. Open app.xaml.cs and find the onSearch activated method. At the beginning of the method, add the following code. This checks if the Animals Puzzle application is already running, and if not, it loads the animals data. Next, scroll to the end of the class and add the Load Local Data method. This is the method that does the work of loading the animals data. Feel free to pause the video throughout the tutorial so that you can copy this code into your own solution. Finally, open animalspuzzledatasource.cs and scroll down to the Animals Puzzle Data Source class. At the very top, add a new event handler called Animals Loaded. Now we can test our application to see if external searching works. But first, go back to the Start screen and right-click on the Animals Puzzle application. Select Uninstall. Go back to Visual Studio and run the application again by pressing the play button or F5. We want to get a fresh installation of our app, and we need to run it once to apply the changes. Close the application by pressing Windows key and D, and then press the Stop button. Go back to the Start screen and start typing BI. We can now see our Animals Puzzle icon in the Applications list. Click on it, and we see our birds items appear. Remember, we stopped running our application inside Visual Studio. Now, if a user was looking for a particular bird, they don't have to launch the application to find what they are looking for. In this section, we added searching and sharing to our Animals Puzzle application. Now, we can share information about our animals with different apps and are able to search for a specific item using keywords. Stay tuned for more on our Animals Puzzle application.